Can you tell me what this is a picture of?
Oh my God, that is so ugly. That is horrible.
I'm a former science teacher, so I know that's a creepy crawly thing that lives on the base of your eyelashes.
No, it looks disgusting though.
This is actually a form of eyelash mite. It's called the BlephEdex mite. The BlephEdex mite can affect 1 in 4 people and can cause them to have itchy, crusty, irritated eyes. Would you like to know a way to get rid of that?
Yes.
Yes, please let me know.
See, that's crawling around there. I want it out of there.
One of the ways you can get rid of these mites, it's actually a natural way, is tea tree oil. So tea tree oil is a natural solution that can kill these mites. There's a few different eye wipes out on the market that actually have the solution for us. Would you like to try a few samples for us today?
Yes.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, I'll try it. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to try sample A first, which is right here. What you're going to do is grab a packet, open it up, take the wipe out, close your eye tightly, and then go in a swiping motion around your eye. How's it feel on your eye?
Burning a little bit.
Oh, it smells and it burns.
This one stings quite a bit. It's not comfortable, and my eyes look gross.
It's actually got almost a burn to it.
Burning, tingly, and almost blurry now.
Okay, so this is sample B. We'll have you do the same thing, remove it from the packet, and then close your eye tightly and wipe around again.
It smells good.
Okay, yeah, and as you notice, yeah, it smells good. How's it feel on your eye?
It feels good. It takes away the tingly.
So it actually helps reverse the effects of the other one.
It smells really good,
So this one smells a lot better right off the bat.
and it doesn't burn like the other one.
So you're not getting any burning, any tingling or anything like that?
It's nice and smooth. This is a lot more smooth.
A huge difference. It's nice and gentle. There's no stinging. There's no smell. This is much better.
So with your experience with the two products, which one would you assume costs more?
I would assume the one that smells better and feels better.
That's what we all think, but actually the product that burns is the one that costs more.
Wow.
The non-burning product is called BlephEdex, and it's a natural blend of tea tree and coconut oils that help kill the mites, leave your eyes feeling cool and refreshed as well. So do you think that that's a product you could see yourself using again in the future?
Yeah, I would definitely get these.
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
I can definitely see myself referring this product over to family and friends as well as using it myself, yes.